Chives are perennial members of the onion family. Chives are cool season, cold-resistant perennials best planted in the early year to mid-spring for an early summer harvest. Types of chive plants to grow. The common chives. These consist of clumps that have smaller and slender bulbs. They produce thin, tubular, blue-green leaves reaching 10 to 15 inches in height. The flowers are white, purple, pink, or red depending on the variety, and they grow in zones 3 to 9. Garlic chives. These are also called Chinese chives and look similar to common chives, but their leaves are greener, flatter, and grow up to about 20 inches in height. The leaves have a mild garlic flavor with more intense bulbs. Their flowers are white, densely clustered than the common chives. Should I let chives flower? Once chives produce flowers, their stalk gets hard and you cannot eat it. It's like sacrificing one thing for another. The flowers are there only for a short while and you can choose to enjoy them while you can. Did you know the entire plant is edible? The leaves, blossoms, and even bulbs. Pollinators are also attracted to the flowers of the chives, making them useful in the ecosystem. Trimming your chives and their flower for new growth. The best way to get a good harvest and beautiful flowers is to trim the plant down. When the first flower buds are developing, trim half the tuft and leave the rest. One half of the tuft will start developing flowers while the other trimmed will produce a nice fresh harvest of chives. But why should you trim? Prune so you can grow and harvest lots of chives, but note, it's important and beneficial to the plant. It's a good habit to prune your chives regularly, and here are a few reasons why. It promotes new growth. Trimming the chives will help promote new growth on the plant. Keeps the plants looking nice. If you don't prune the chives, they overgrow, making the plant look woody and overgrown. Prevents chives from spreading. If you don't cut back the mature chives, they will reseed very fast. It is an aggressive reseeder, and if not controlled, you will have more chives than you need within a short while. You can plant your chives next to tomatoes and carrots, but not near beans and peas. Bunches of chives hung in the home are believed to drive away diseases and evil. Go ahead and hang some chives around your home. Finally, chives are a symbol of usefulness, because everything in a chive is useful for your food. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.